Now students, we will be discuss more about average velocity. Now, consider an object in uniformly accelerated motion along a straight line OX with O as origin. We have the object at the origin when the time is 0. The object is moving along a straight line with uniformly accelerated motion. Means its velocity each interval of time increasing but acceleration remains constant. I have already explained this concept in my previous video. Now, suppose that the object reaches at point A at time t. When the time t, the object reaches at point A at a distance x from the origin. Now, and reaches the point B when the time t dash. Now the position from origin to point B when the time is t dash, that is x dash. The average velocity of the object in the time interval between t and t dash is given by. Now we want to find the average velocity between this time of interval, means from t and t dash, and distance covered by object from A to B during this time of interval. So average velocity, that is x dash minus x, t dash minus t. How this comes? From origin to point B, that is x dash. If I minus this x, that is OA, I get the result, means the distance between AB, that is x dash minus x. OB minus OA, I will find the distance AB, that is x dash minus x, and similarly the time period from t dash minus t. Now I consider it equation 1. The equation 1 gives the average velocity only during time interval between t and t dash. I have find the average velocity between this type of interval from t to t dash. Now I have two cases regarding this equation 1. Case 1, if the object has accelerated, object is accelerated, means its velocity increasing or maybe decreasing. That is a non-uniform motion. In this case, motion is non-uniform. In other term, we can say the accelerated motion. It may not be equal to actual velocity of the object. This equation may not be represent the actual velocity of the object. Why? Because the velocity changing. The motion is accelerated. Its velocity each time of interval change. Case second, if the motion is uniform, that is non-uniform accelerated. If the object is in uniform motion, now its velocity not changing. The average velocity given by equation will represent its actual velocity. Why? Because each interval of time its velocity remains constant. So this expression becomes the actual velocity of the object. So ਸਾਡਾ ਅੱਜ ਦਾ ਕਨਸੈਪਟ ਸੀਗਾ ਐਵਰੇਜ ਵੈਲੋਸਿਟੀ ਬਾਰੇ। ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲੇ ਆਬਜੈਕਟ O ਤੋਂ ਸਟਾਰਟ ਹੋ ਕੇ A ਤੇ ਪਹੁੰਚਿਆ, ਕਿੰਨਾ ਸਮਾਂ ਲਿਆ T, ਫਿਰ ਉਹ B ਤੇ ਪਹੁੰਚਿਆ, ਕਿੰਨਾ ਸਮਾਂ ਲਿਆ T ਡੈਸ਼। O to A ਇਹਦੀ ਡਿਸਟੈਂਸ x ਆ, O to B ਇਹਦੀ ਡਿਸਟੈਂਸ x ਡੈਸ਼ ਆ। ਐਵਰੇਜ ਵੈਲੋਸਿਟੀ ਦਾ ਕੀ ਫਾਰਮੂਲਾ ਹੈ, OB ਮਾਈਨਸ OA ਐਸ ਇਨ ਟਾਈਮ ਆਫ ਇੰਟਰਵਲ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ T ਤੋਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ T ਡੈਸ਼ ਤੱਕ ਮੇਰੇ ਕੋਲ ਕੀ ਫਾਰਮੂਲਾ ਆ ਗਿਆ, x ਡੈਸ਼ ਮਾਈਨਸ x T ਡੈਸ਼ ਮਾਈਨਸ T। ਕਿਵੇਂ, A ਵੀ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਕਰਨੀ ਹੈ ਮੈਂ, ਉਹ ਕੀ ਹੋਊਗੀ OB ਮਾਈਨਸ OA ਤੇ ਟਾਈਮ ਇੰਟਰਵਲ ਕੀ ਹੈ T ਡੈਸ਼ ਮਾਈਨਸ T। ਇਹ ਮੇਰੇ ਕੋਲ ਫਾਰਮੂਲਾ ਆ ਗਿਆ। ਹੁਣ ਦੋ ਕੇਸ ਆ ਗਏ, अगर तो मोशन तो एक्सलरेटेड आ, वो वेलोसिटी इनक्रीजिंग हो रही है ऑब्जेक्ट की या डिक्रीजिंग हो रही है, तो आ जोड़ा फार्मूला वा ये एक्चुअल वेलोसिटी नहीं दस रहा, ये कि दस रहा एवरेज वेलोसिटी, बिकॉज द ऑब्जेक्ट की आ एक्सलरेटेड मोशन के वेलोसिटी इनक्रीजिंग या डिक्रीजिंग होएगी। अगर वो वेलोसिटी ना बढ़ती आ ना घटती आ, नॉट यूनीफॉर्म एक्सलरेटेड आ, तो की होएगा ਜਿਹੜਾ ਆ ਐਕਸਪ੍ਰੈਸ਼ਨ ਆ ਮੀਨਸ ਉਹ ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ ਪੁਆਇੰਟ ਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਦੇਖੀਏ ਉਹਦੀ ਵੈਲੋਸਿਟੀ ਕੀ ਹੋਗੀ, ਐਕਚੁਅਲ ਵੈਲੋਸਿਟੀ ਹੋਗੀ, ਉਹਦੀ ਵੈਲੋਸਿਟੀ ਕੀ ਹੋਏਗੀ, ਐਕਚੁਅਲ ਵੈਲੋਸਿਟੀ। ਇਹ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲੇ ਦੋ ਕੀ ਹੈ ਕੇਸ ਬਣਦੇ ਸੀ। ਨਾਓ ਵੀ ਵਿਲ ਬੀ ਡਿਸਕਸ ਅਬਾਊਟ ਦ ਫਾਰਮੂਲਾਸ ਰਿਲੇਟਡ ਟੂ ਐਕਸਲਰੇਟਡ ਐਕਸਲਰੇਸ਼ਨ। ਨਾਓ acceleration. Consider that an object in uniformly accelerated motion along OX possesses velocities v and v dash at time t and t dash respectively. We have the object in uniformly accelerated motion. Its velocity at time t, that is small v, at the position A, and at time t dash its velocity v dash at point B. Now then the constant acceleration in the motion of the object. Why constant acceleration? Because the motion is uniformly accelerated, means each interval of time its velocity is steadily increasing or decreasing by a fixed, you can say by a fixed amount. I have already explained this concept in my previous video. You can watch it for more clarity. Now constant acceleration, that is v dash minus v over t dash minus t. Acceleration is a vector quantity. Now we have the two cases. If the velocity of the object is steadily increasing हो रही है means positive acceleration. अगर डिक्रीजिंग हो रही है steadily, that is a negative acceleration. It is also called retardation. This is the about our acceleration. I hope you understand both of the concept I have discussed. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching.